Bitcoin NFTs, guys, that's what we're talking about today with the Ordinals, okay? Before I get in, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for education purposes only, so let's get straight in. So first of all, guys, what is an NFT? Now, an NFT is a non-fungible token, all right? You can get them on marketplaces like OpenSea, and you can go over to Magic Eden, things like that for the Solana. So OpenSea is for Ethereum. Now, an NFT is a non-fungible token. That means, in simple terms, you cannot copy it. Okay, it's non-fungible. So as you can see here, here's some of the NFTs, some of the trending ones right now. Let's just have a look at Moonbird so I can show you an example if you're not in the NFT space already. Okay, to you, it might just look like a pixelated image, but in the background, it has a utility. Most of them do coded into the back. So the picture is just the forefront of the NFT. You can see that this one is for $6,576. Okay, because in the background of this code on the blockchain, it will have a utility. Okay, now NFTs don't have to have a utility, but the most popular projects usually do. But you can make any image on front of that NFT, guys. So don't believe what people say, oh, you're paying this much money just for a JPEG. That's not what's happening, okay? An NFT is a non-fungible token that cannot be changed. So now let's move on to the Bitcoin side of this. So guys, there's marketplaces for the Bitcoin Ordinals as well. Okay, so Bitcoin have actually dove into this very, very well. Now, not a lot has been happening in the Bitcoin world until this. Okay, we know that crashes happen and we've sort of been settling around. But let's browse the Ordinals collection. So we know what an NFT is, and now we're looking at the Bitcoin version of these. All right, Gamma.io is a fantastic marketplace for this. All right, and I really think that this is going to be the biggest project of the year with the Ordinals, okay? Because Bitcoin does very well when they go into any kind of space. Okay, so we've got the NFTs here. You can go through them, see what's minted now on Gamma.io. There is other marketplaces for them. This is just the most popular. Of course, Bitcoin have done what they said they would do with reinventing some of the originals. So we've got the Anordinal Punks. If you know what crypto punks are, they are an NFT that's on OpenSea with the Ethereum blockchain, and they pretty much paved the way, okay, for NFTs to go. You can see here the last sale for this one, for example, is 60 ETH. All right, these are really, really incredible. These sell for thousands and thousands and thousands of pounds, okay? The last one, as you can see, 60 ETH. Guys, 60 ETH is a lot of money. When you look at the Ordinals, all right, they're not at that price in any way, shape, or form, but I do see them pumping up a lot just because of the niche of the name. Okay, so that's what they've done. They've done that with them, and they've also done it with a few other projects as well. And I don't think that people are taking it too seriously on how well this is going to go. So why have Bitcoin done this with the Ordinals? All right, Bitcoin is split into 100 million sats. That's what makes one Bitcoin. And what they're doing is allowing people to actually send individual sats that carry extra value, whether that value is in data, text, JPEGs, or whatever it is. Okay, it's allowing you to actually do that now. As of January, over 100,000 sats have actually been minted already, and you can see some of the beautiful artwork that's come out of that. Now, to fully explain the difference when we're looking at the Bitcoin Ordinals NFTs and when we're looking at just normal Ethereum NFTs on OpenSea, I need to take you to this article, which is NFT Now, okay, and show you why they're different. So like it says here, NFTs on Ethereum often point off chain directory on the implemented file system. That's the IPFS, a decentralized file system storage, sort of like the blockchain's hard drive that can be changed using dynamic metadata, okay? This ability to change NFTs metadata alludes to the deficiency Rodemore was trying to improve when he created the protocol. So in this estimation, NFTs are incomplete because many require off-chain data. So on the other hand, Ordinals are complete. So these data is inscribed directly on the chain. That's why Rodemore refers to them as digital artifacts, not Bitcoin NFTs. Moreover, NFTs often have creator royalties attached to them, whereas digital artifacts do not have that. According to Rodemore, Ordinal is the intent to reflect what an NFT should be, sometimes are, and what inscriptions always are by true their very nature. So all that's to say, you can see this tweet from NFT Now saying, looking to trade Ordinals inscriptions, aka Bitcoin NFT, you have to string together a web of tedious tasks to make it happen. And everything you know, guys, I want you to do your own research into this, okay? And I also want you to go over to Gamma.io and have a look through at some of these. Some of them are incredible, but do not let this put you off Ethereum NFTs, all right? They're still by far the most popular and the biggest in the space, and you will make the most trading them right now, but I do think Ordinals is catching up. There you go, guys. Thank you so much for joining in. Please do me a massive favor, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.